How to register and set up Zelle app. So what you're gonna have to do is simply use your mobile banking app of your bank. So basically Zelle is pre-installed in some of the major banks such as Bank of America. As you can see, if you go to their official website, you can see that when you go to get started page, you're gonna see all the banks that uses Zelle. So all you have to do is simply open that app, and as you can see, to enroll with Zelle app, enter your basic contact information, an email address and US mobile number, and a Visa or MasterCard debit card with a US based account. As you can see, we do not accept debit cards associated with international deposit accounts or any credit cards. So all you have to do is simply open the mobile banking app, and then you're gonna have the option to create your free account. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.